Hey guys, Collector Charles back again. Alright, I'm super stoked on this one. We got 3 packs of Dark Crisis. This is definitely one of the coolest sets for me. Yugioh Necros is in this one, and imagine how sweet that would be if we could pull it. Any foil really would be pretty sweet out of these. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's go for the middle pack first this time. Unlimited edition. Alright, let's see if we can get something. Got a Frozen Soul, Acrobat Monkey, Pandemonium, Battle Footballer, and a Wicked, what does that say? Wicked Breaking Flameberg Bow. Okay, very long name there. Almost the same artwork on this Gravity Axe. Staunch Defender, Little Wind Guard. That's pretty cool. Morale boost. Alright. Second pack. Let's go with this one. Alright, we got Ray of Hope, Goblin of Greed, Twin Swords of Flashing Light, Staunch Defender, and a Metallizing Parasite. Not a bad rare. That one's pretty cool. Oh my god. No way. I was not expecting there to be a foil behind that card. A Vampire Lord Secret Rare. No way. That is absolutely crazy. Wow, I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say. That's just that's epic there. Super epic. Wow. Speechless. Don't know what else to say. There's nothing in this pack that could, well, Yugioh Necros would be pretty sweet. But yeah, that's crazy. I'm super happy about that. Wow. Yeah, I don't know. That must have came out of a pack from I don't know, the Legendary Collection or something, because it had the rare in front of it. I don't know. I'm not going to argue with it. Wow, that was amazing. Alright, let's see what we can get here. Altar for Tribute, Guardian Elma, Mustering of the Dark Scorpions, Ninken Dog, Archfiend Soldier, and then Rod of Silence. Yeah, so no secret rare in that one. Not really surprising though, is it? Alright, well, that was pretty sweet, guys. I mean, couldn't have asked for anything better than that. Secret Rare Vampire Lord. That's awesome. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that as much as I did, and we'll catch you next time.